Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to our final week of English 235. You did it! You're almost done. Hooray! But we're not done yet. So hang in there, keep working hard. We're so close. What we're working on this week is working on revising and perfecting our fabulous recommendation report, which is due Monday the 20th, which is the beginning of finals week. So you've got all this week. No other assignments in this class. Nothing. The only thing you have to do in this class is work on your recommendation report. I'm going to beg you here. Do not save that for midnight on the 19th. Not only will you be miserable because it's a lot of work to do, it won't be good. And then I'm going to have to grade it and you won't be happy with your score. And then that's going to just be like a huge bummer for everyone. So work on it all this week. We have the whole week. Nothing else in this class. Just this one final assignment. So spend this time wisely. Spend it well. Spend it working on your recommendation report. You know your writing process better than anyone. You know how much time it's going to take you to be successful on this recommendation report. So set yourself up for success. Give yourself the time you need to complete this assignment to the level of quality that you know that you're capable of. So don't save it for the last minute. Get it done. If you can turn it in early, even better. I'll get it graded for you early. You'll know exactly where your grade stands in the class as we head into finals week. So I just want to show you, we do have resources in the modules tab to help you out with this. Hopefully you've been working on it. We've had all of last week to work on recommendation reports too. So 2 solid weeks of just recommendation reports. These should be awesome by the time they get to me because you've had lots and lots of time to work on them. So our recommendation report folder in the modules, tons of help. Here's a recorded lecture. If you haven't watched this already, please do. It will walk you through the entire document. We also have some sample reports. If you've gathered all your data and you've got all your research, you've got a good idea of how you want this to work, but you just want to make sure that you're formatting it correctly. Check out these samples. They're not perfect by any means because I don't know that perfect writing actually exists because we are always learning, we're always improving, we're always growing in our skills so we can always do better, right? But these are really solid reports. Check those out before you submit yours to make sure that your formatting is correct, to make sure that you've included all the required sections, to make sure that you've got your visuals in there, that they have their figure numbers and their figure notes and citations where appropriate. All of that is demonstrated for you here. So make sure that you're hitting all those checkpoints as you take a look at our samples. I've also got lots of citation format help for you because I know APA style can feel challenging. Here's how to cite an image in a report. Here's how to cite an image you found in Google. Here's how to cite a personal interview. All of those things are things you're going to need to do in your recommendation report. So make sure that you're using the correct format to guide you. Also, in this report, you have several different documents that you are merging into one document. The recommendation report is one document. So this shows you how to merge documents in Word. And this shows you how to start page numbers later in the document because you don't want a page number on your cover page. You don't want a page number on your table of contents. You want those page numbers to start on the first page of the actual report itself. And so this link will show you how to do that in Word. And this shows you how to merge those documents. So your letter of transmittal, your cover page, your table of contents, and the contents of the report itself all are one document. This shows you how to merge all of those separate templates that we've got in the recommendation report assignment. So make sure that you're using all of our really helpful resources here to be successful as you turn in this recommendation report. You have all this week to work on it. So refresh your knowledge by watching the recommendation report lecture. Make sure that yours is looking the way it's supposed to by checking out those sample reports. And then make sure you're following APA style and that your document is properly formatted and is paginated correctly. We have everything you need to be successful here. So please make sure that you're taking advantage of these resources on our very last assignment. Yay, we're almost done. So use those resources. Use your time wisely and well. We had all of last week to work on this. We have all of this week to work on this. you're submitting this on the 20th by midnight. Because this is finals week, I'm going to be grading all of this week. I'm not going to be accepting any late recommendation reports because I have to finalize your grades and submit them to the administration by the end of the week, and that takes a lot of time. So turn these things in. We've had lots of time to work on it. I'm not going to accept late recommendation reports, so make sure that you are turning that in on time. Turn it in early if you're worried about technical glitches or your computer doing something wonky or the internet gremlins doing things. If you're worried about that, turn it in early. That way you don't have to worry about what happens if it's late, because it won't be late, which is good. Yay for on-time submissions. I'm going to be working on finalizing your grades in the class. I'm going to get those recommendation reports graded on the 21st and 22nd. I'm going to have your grades finalized by the 23rd because I have to submit those to the administration on the 24th, after which point they are out of my hands. I have zero control over the grades after they get submitted to the administration because they go to the transcript office, they go to records, they go to all these other places. I can't change them after that point. So if you have questions about your grades, please make sure to reach out before the 24th, because after that, they are out of my hands. I lose all my power. It's like Cinderella at midnight. The coach is a pumpkin now, right? Like the magic is gone. So reach out before the 24th if you have questions about your grades or the late work policy or any of that stuff. But do make sure that you turn in that recommendation report on time. I know I said that like 25 times already, but like please, please, please do it because it's really important. And this assignment is worth a ton of points. So make sure you get that in on time. Reach out if you have any questions. I'm so excited to see how your ideas come together in this recommendation report. It really is the culmination of everything you've learned this quarter. We've compiled pieces of it, and now we get to put this together to be something like really impressive that showcases your skills, showcases your mastery of content and topic. And I'm just honestly really excited to see how they come together. So have fun writing this. Make sure you invest in the revision process. Reach out with any questions and have a great week.